Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. So today I am out here in the city of North Las Vegas, and we are going to be exploring this new community by Webb. It's called North Ranch, just south of the 215 here. And we are approximately probably about 40 minutes to the airport. These are all going to be single-story homes here in North Ranch. Let me just kind of pan around here. Okay, so this is one of the, I don't want to say one of the biggest models, but this is the biggest model out of the 9 collections that they have to offer. Again, this is an age-restricted community if you guys are not familiar with the Webb series. The builder on here is actually Pulte Homes. So this home today that we're going to be exploring and touring, like I said, is the biggest model that they have to offer. So this one is 2,015 square feet. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage. The base price, the starting price is $417,990. That is right. Now you do have an option for a den or a 3rd bedroom, but let's come back here. We're going to start from the beginning. We're going to see exactly what Pulte has to offer. So you have a nice, beautiful 8-foot door. As you enter, you have a beautiful chandelier. You got a tray ceiling with a color block. Looks like a 6-inch drop here. Okay. Orange peel texture. You do have the option to do the Santa Fe or the Sqft. Looks like we have a 8-inch on the baseboards. Love the flooring here. Let's see what kind of flooring it is. So this is actually a vinyl flooring, which is great. I really do love the luxury vinyl flooring. The reason why you want to go luxury vinyl is because it's actually waterproof. Now they're charging anywhere from like $6 to $10 a square feet. So this bedroom right here, this is one of the first bedrooms. And this bedroom right here is 12 by 13, so it is a pretty decent size. We do have 9-foot ceiling, so it looks like on this spec, on this build, you have the transfer grills, and they added the traverse can lighting and also surround sound. This one is a suite. Now, suite is a 3/4, I believe. Yes, we have a 3/4 with a 0 threshold. Now, the builder is going to charge you on this 0 threshold here, because this is something that you would have to do during the construction phase. I love this 1/2 inch on this glass door here, just nice and thick. Make sure when you get your glass door, find out what is the thickness of it. The thicker it is, the more you're going to pay, but the better the quality is going to be. Love the bench here. You have Moen fixtures. Now you have a 3-inch casing around the door too as well. Now, when it comes to the vanity, keep in mind you have different and many options with the vanity configurations from one builder to another. Some vanity options are 30, right, which is very low, than the 34. This right here is actually the 36 on the vanity. I love the cast iron sink here. That white glaze. Not bad. Alright, let's come back this way. Here's your half bath for the guest. You got the pedestal sink, but this pedestal sink looks like that is an upgrade too as well. Now on this one, it doesn't have the GFI, so probably the GFI is probably in the next room. We would have to find out where that GFI is located. I love this feature wall with this mirror, really nice. Now, this den right here off to the right hand side, you do have an option to make this a 3rd bedroom. However, they just turned this into a den. You have some extra custom bookshelves here and this long 6-inch peninsula with this waterfall. That would definitely be an upgrade. Also those French glass doors, and with this feature wall too as well. So there's a lot of upgrades that was really done to this home. Coming across the hallway here, let's see what we have. Pretty large laundry room. I love how deep it is with the upgraded sink and 30 inches on the cabinets, on the upper cabinets. I love these hand pulls. The only thing about these hand pulls, every once in a while, make sure they're installed correctly. If not, they'll end up scraping the top of this. Let's take a look at the cabinets here. So, the front overlays on these cabinets are quality cabinets. However, what they did was MDF staples with the side glides. The cabinetry itself is not that great, but you do have a 24-inch depth with a 6-inch backsplash. This right here, this product is Korean. It's great material. And it looks like you do have the refrigerator. So if you're going to do the refrigerator, make sure you get your own designated outlet. Okay? 20 amps. Minimum of 20 amps designated outlet. Okay? Reason why you want to do that, if the GFI snaps, it doesn't affect this refrigerator whatsoever. Now, in this community, they have a total of 394 homes. We have a 36-inch panel. We can't open that. I would definitely love to see if they actually have the Smurf tube down to the D mark, so that way we can see if we have the option to run the fiber optics to the property. Here's your 2-car garage ADT system that is not included into the sale. 6-panel door. That's an upgrade, folks. Everything that you see on all these homes out here is a upgrade. We have straight edge cornering. You do have the option to do the bull nose too as well. Let's take a look at this. Now, on this one right here, you do have a 6-foot slide. This is actually a vinyl slide, 8 feet tall. So that would be a structural upgrade. We have a 9-foot panel, dual pane windows with the low E. Okay. See if we can go outside here. And again, you guys know how I am with my doors. Okay. Why do I always have problems with the doors, folks? I don't know what it is about me and the doors. Let's try to go this way. Okay. Make it easy. Okay. So basically what they did was actually lock the door because I can see the screw up there, which is totally understandable. This covered patio with the bricks will also be included. So the average lot size here is going to run you around 5,500 square feet. Now there is a lot premium, believe it or not. It's anywhere from $5,000 all the way up to about $22,000. Now that could also change too as well. Now I love how they cladded this wall right here, or this future wall, with this vinyl flooring, which is really nice. But look at this. I love how they thought this out with the pre-wiring on the light fixture there. And then they also did a good job to break this section off with that control joint. Okay. Reason why they are starting to do control joints now is so that way once the drywall starts to shift, right, you'll have that crack within between. Okay. Now I love this feature wall right here with this tile. Now with this, I think it's what, octagon tile, right? I think this is the shape. Let me know in the comments below. But take a look at this material right here. You have 3 different textures on this material, which is really nice. They did a really good job, and I love how they used the white trim to clean this thing up. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now with this builder here, I believe you do have the option to raise the ceiling for additional costs. Now let's take a look at this kitchen here. You have the 3 pendant lighting, okay? And I love this island. This is a 4 by 12 foot island right here. And some builders, you got to watch out. Some of these islands may actually be shorter on the standard, but what they'll do is upgrade and sell you on a longer island, okay? We do have some quartz countertops. You have the KitchenAid appliances. With the KitchenAid appliances, that would be an upgrade here with this builder. Also with this beautiful, nice fixture Moen here. And then you have this Blanca sink, which will run you about $750 all the way up to $1,000. Now let's take a look here. We do have a Badger. Now the Badger, I believe this is a 0.5 horsepower, and you also have a filter for your drain line too as well, which is a nice and a plus. And what I do like about Poti, with all their water fixtures, their supply lines, I love their push button where you can push and stop the water versus twisting it, because sometimes you can twist it and really rip that copper off, then you can actually spring a leak. However, if you're using that push button, just make sure to hold the base of it, push it in, and also push it out. So just be careful with that, okay? Let's take a look here. So we don't have a built-in refrigerator. This is actually I think a 32 cubic inch on here. Now you can go a little bit bigger. Now when you go a little bit bigger, because you have this gap, what happens is the bigger you go, this refrigerator is going to come out more and it's going to stick out more, but will also fill up this space too as well. You do have the upper cabinets, a double stack. We know that is an upgrade. And also with your LED lighting, which is pretty nice. Coming into the pantry, you have 5 shelves on the pantry. That takes you all the way up. Right above, you have your attic access. So your furnace, your AC unit is going to be sitting right there. Now, on the kitchen package, this is a gourmet kitchen package. Looks like one of the options, and I've noticed this is a cook countertop. This is a magnetic electric stove. The cool news about these things now is it's not hot to the touch. So basically, you can put your hand on it, you won't burn yourself, but if something magnetic touches it, then it will start to heat up. Also, another thing that we haven't talked about for some time is if you get the LED lights, certain companies will start to charge you for the light rail. Because now that you have the LED light, right, is going to be lower than this light rail. So now the kitchen cabinets that you're purchasing, now there's going to be an additional cost, because upgrading that will also force you to upgrade this light rail. Also, with the LED lights, take a look underneath and to see exactly what type of LED lights is it. Is it a real LED light? And another thing, when they do this, you need to make sure that they caulk the back of here of this LED light, because the light will protrude right through, okay? Just keep that in mind. HOAs are about $198. Now, let's go into the master. I love this window right here. It's like a 60-inch window. So on this one, you do have the option to do the reverse tray again, and also with the 4-can lighting with the chandelier. And you have an option to do the door right here too as well, which is really nice. So you have this luxury flooring, vinyl flooring throughout, which is a plus. Let's take a look at the master spa shower. Now as we come in, one thing about with these black trims that I just don't like is this. If it is not as clean, then you're going to get lines like this. So you just got to make sure when you do your walkthrough, it's clean. I love this 0 threshold, and I love these 18 by 36 tile. And take a look at this. I love how they took this trim all the way across to bring that contrast, which is excellent. Now, some of the tiles are not going to be straight, but again, it just really depends how nitpicky you want to be, okay? Standard closet. Now, in this standard closet right here, you have the 4-can lighting. However, on this one, you're not going to get the 4-can lighting. You will just get the fluorescent light or just the can light just right above. But as you can see, you definitely need the 4-can lighting. When it comes to lighting colors, right, I prefer the daylight. It's just better on my eyes. Here's your water closet. You have a Gerber toilet and your linen closet. Total 4 shelves. Now, the cabinetries are the same here as the kitchen, which is really nice. And I love this backsplash with the tile to match the backsplash of the shower, which is really great. Great job on that. Well, guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. And if you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you are thinking about purchasing a home here in Las Vegas, Nevada, give us a call. We definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. Other than that, I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.